Most times when we come on this channel, we just talk about media production and live stream, but I'm not really sharing with you some of the side hustle and how I also generate income online. Now, have you ever wanted to start a business for yourself but don't know where to begin? Now, what if I told you there's a secret website and buy cheap product directly from the manufacturer itself and resell them for profit and also build a brand for yourself, all without leaving your home? Now, you can also use this format to sell the product on TikTok Shop, Amazon, Shopify, or even on your local, buying the product directly from the manufacturer itself without any middleman, and you can make massive profit from reselling those particular products. This video I'm going to show you how to do it using Made in China, a powerful platform helping entrepreneurs make real money worldwide. Now we're going to dive into it, and I'm going to share with you some of the secrets, how to source for the product, how to chat the manufacturers, how to ask for quotation. Everything is what we're going to be taking a look at in today's video. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. This is Made in China, a massive B2B sourcing platform with over 92 million products. There's literally nothing you're looking for you won't find here. We also have over 6 million suppliers, suppliers that are fully verified. Now over here you can see the audited suppliers, meaning suppliers that have already been verified and inspected, meaning their factories has been inspected and they've also been fully verified to be up, and you're also secured through the secure trading service. They also have 27 different industry categories which you can find by the side of the screen here, which is one of my love features here. You can search for whatever you're looking for, from consumer electronics to construction to light, auto, sports, transportation, health, computer products, more. You can find tools and hardwares, whatever thing you're looking for, whichever industry you operate on, they've got you covered. But one of the first things I noticed, it's available in 16 different languages. Yes, 16. So whether you speak Portuguese, France, Italian, Dutch, Netherlands, whatever language you speak, whichever one you understand, or even if you understand English just like me, and this platform is ready for you. Now, no awkward translation needed. Let me show you one of my best features on this website, which is the product search here, where you can search for anything you need. Now we're going to search for these wireless earbuds here and click on search it. And when you search for it, you get thousands and tens of thousands of results from the website. You can see here, you see tons and tons of them. Actually narrow this search here. If you want the audited factories, that means the audited suppliers, mean the suppliers that have already been verified and inspected, you just click on this audited factory here and you'll be able to see some of the factories that have already been certified, meaning verified and also inspected. Okay, so this is just some of them right here on the screen. And you can see their business type, what they produce, their year of establishment. You can also take a look at some of them as well. This is really cool. They also offer image-based search, and you can upload the image of a product you are interested in. Let me just go ahead, upload the product of this particular image, and this is a smart ring. Okay, just upload, and that's it. And the system will find similar items across the platform, and it's like visual sourcing, and super helpful when you don't know the exact name of something. You can see here, you're giving me different brands here with different prices. Over here, this one is 11, 13, this one is 13. This is really super helpful when you are looking for something and you don't know the exact name of that particular product. So you can just upload the image. Then again, just click on the image at the top of the screen, upload the product image, and then the system will search and dictate that particular product, giving you different suppliers link where you can be able to purchase that particular product. Also, one of the beautiful things about the Made in China here, it's each supplier's page has detailed info. Over here, if you take a look at the top here, you see suppliers with verified business licenses. They've been a gold member since 2020, and you can also click, when you click on here on the audited, you can see audited by independent third-party inspection agency, meaning that this particular supplier here or this factories here has been audited and they are verified. Okay, and also here where you have the secure trading, so you are also well protected. So your money, you're not paying the money to any third party or any escrow. Factories don't get the payment till the item is already shipped. Product also have a high resale value as well. Okay, and you can see here this is a smart iWatch Ultra 2. It's going for $15. If you're not sure where to start, it's easy to browse, and because they also have the top ranking products here as well, where you see some of the products that are currently on high demand. Just click on top ranking products here, and when you click on it, you can see the most popular here. You have the most popular, you have the best selling, you have the movers and shakers, the new release. So if you want to get access to the latest product, you can also click on the new release. And if you're looking for the most popular, these are some of the most popular product here. You can see here, these are some of the most popular product here. There's the JBL, everything here. And if you look at, and one thing to also note is from here you have the recommended ranking. You can select the particular category you want to see what are the products that are currently ranking on this particular category. Apparel and accessories, and I just click on boys shoe. This is what is currently trending. These are what people are ordering for. And you can also couples clothes as well, and you can also see these are some of the things that are currently trending. If you're going for the general category, the recommended ranking, but if you want to also narrow the search to a specific category, you can also do that, or a specific industry, you can also do that as well. And when we go over to best selling, this is what you have here on some of the best selling products. You can see them here. And if you go over to new release, you can, these are some of the newest released product that you can see on the screen from different verified factories. And again, the multi-language option as well. So whichever language you understand, if you don't understand English, you can always navigate through and select particular language you understand. So wherever you are, language is not a barrier, and you can source your own product using your own local language. Whether you are sourcing electronic, textile, whichever product at all do you looking for, anything, packaging tools or anything in between, and this platform connects you directly to real factories with real verified product. Now, no middleman, no overpriced stock. In fact, they added this tiny button here. It's called post sourcing request. See, so whatever thing that you're looking for that you can't find on the web page, you can also tell your suppliers what you need. Just write to them, put the name of the product that you need, and then the how many quantity you need, and then also the target unit price, everything, and then you can submit, and they will get back to you. You can also upload the product image, and the suppliers will get that done for you. If you also want to have an overview of any company, now if you also want to have an overview of any factories at all, just click on their profile here, and then at the top here you're also going to see their business type, manufacturers, factories, and trading company. Now you want to see also the company's main products. Since they give you their main product, now they have the heat pump accessories, and the years of establishment is 2006, and names of employees, this is them here, and these are the management system certification. You also see and the address where the company is located. Now, not many sourcing website have this level of transparency, giving you the address of the particular suppliers. And also, if you want to visit my factory, if you want to also go there, they give you all the details. They made everything easy for you, and at the same time you can also be able to contact the suppliers and also chat the supplier up, should in case you want to get speak to them or tell them what you want, how you want the design to be done, whatever you need, and they will get that done for you. If you haven't checked it out yet, I highly recommend taking a few minutes to explore madeinchina.com. Now the link is in the description of this video. I also pinned that in the first comment of this particular video. Free to use and easy to register, packed with features that can seriously boost the way you source for products online. Stop stressing over where to find what you need. This is a sponsors just genuinely impressed by this particular website. Start exploring madeinchina.com and let me know what you think about the site in the comment section of this particular video. Don't forget to try and share this amazing sourcing website with other friends, family that will need it as well. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.